myself, Ms. Samruddhi Sanjay Kharve from First Phase BMS. Today, we are going to perform the interdepartmental activity from the Department of Samhita Siddhanta. Here, we are going to study the preparation methods of Panchavidhi Kashaya Kalpana. Panchavidham Kashayamiti Tadhyata Swarasa Kalka Shruta Shita Fanta Kashayamiti. Now, let's see them one by one.
स्वरसम यंत्र निष्पीडिता द्रव्यात रसम स्वरस उच्यते. The juice extracted from a drug squishing by a machine is known as swarasa. The example of swarasa is tulsi swarasa and guduchi swarasa. Tulsi swarasa indicated in the cold and cough, and guduchi swarasa is indicated in the breathlessness. Now we will see the preparation of a swarasa.
कल्क यह पिंडो रसपिष्टानां सह कल्क परिकीर्तितः. It is the best prepared by pounding the drabha on stone slab, that is khalvayantra. Examples of kalka: nimbapatra kalka and rasona kalka. Rasona kalka used for vata roga and vishamajvara. Indications: it is used for the skin diseases like kushta rog. It is used for varnaropana and it also promotes the wound healing.
Now we will discuss about Quatra. Vanhau tu kathitam dravyam shrutmahos chikitsakah dravyadapo titat toye pratapte nichi samchutat. The medicine which is prepared by boiling drug on fire is known as Quatra. It is prepared by taking drug and adding 16 part of water to it. It is prepared by boiling and it is made up to its 1/8 part. Its example is Triphala Quatra. It helps to remove toxins from body and it is indicated in eye disorders, pipes and urinary disease. Now we will see about the process of making Triphala Quatra.
Now we will discuss about the Shita and Fanta. Shitaha. Shitaha Sharvari Mushito Mataha. It is prepared by the soaking the drug overnight, rubbed and filtered in the next day morning. The Examples for the Shita are Dhanyaka Hima and Sarivadi Hima. Dhanyaka Hima is indicated in the Trishna and Daha. Sarivadi Hima is indicated in the Rakta Vikara. Now, Fanta. Shiptoshna Toye Mruditaha Fanta Ityabhi Diyate. The pounded drug is added with the hot water and rubbed and filtered for the prepare the Fanta. Examples for the Fanta are Sudarshan Fanta and Panchakola Fanta. Sudarshan Fanta is indicated in the Jwaraha. Panchakola Fanta is indicated in the Kapha Jwara.
Here we saw the preparation method of Panchavida Kashaya Kalpana and some their examples. Now let's move towards the conclusion. Tesham yata puram baladikyam atah Kashaya Kalpana vyadya atura balapekshini nat devam khulu sarvani sarvatra upayogini bhavanti. Among these five, Fanta is most light to digest and have least strength. And Swarasa is heavy to digest and it's considered as strongest. The choice of Kashaya Kalpana is according to the strength as well as the patient. Thank you.